This truck has driven over 2 million kilometers. And somehow, it still hasn't retired. Think about that for a second. Most vehicles don't even make it past 200,000 kilometers before something major fails. Engines wear out. Transmissions break. Metal gives up. But this one didn't. This is the Ford F-350 Super Duty. At first glance, it doesn't look special. It's not a supercar. It's not fast. It's not even designed to be comfortable. It's just a work truck. But what this machine has been through is anything but normal. Over the course of just 8 years, this truck traveled more than 1.3 million miles. That's over 2 million kilometers. To put that into perspective, that's like driving across the United States over 400 times, or circling the Earth more than 50 times. And it didn't happen over decades. It happened fast, day after day, mile after mile, without stopping. Because for its owner, this wasn't a showpiece. This truck wasn't something you clean on weekends or take out for a comfortable drive. It was a tool, a machine that had a job to do. Every single day, long highway runs, heavy loads in the back, endless hours on the road, no breaks, no easy days, just constant pressure on every single component inside the truck. And over time, that pressure started to show. Parts began to fail. The transmission had to be replaced. The transfer case didn't survive either. And the turbocharger was replaced not once, not twice, but 3 times. Even the windshield couldn't keep up. It had to be replaced over a dozen times, from debris, impacts, and sheer mileage. By this point, most vehicles would have been sent to a scrapyard, retired, forgotten. But not this one, because somehow, the heart of the truck, the engine, kept going. No catastrophic failure, no complete breakdown, just wear and survival. So what made the difference? Why didn't this machine die, like everything else eventually does? The answer isn't just engineering, it's discipline. The owner understood something most drivers don't. Machines don't just break because they're used, they break because they're abused. So even under extreme mileage, he drove it carefully, slow when climbing hills, never pushing the engine too hard, keeping speeds controlled on long highways, maintaining it, not perfectly, but consistently. And that made all the difference. At one point, the odometer hit its limit, 999,999 miles. And then it stopped counting, because even the people who built this truck never expected it to go any further. But the truck didn't care. It kept moving, past 1 million miles, past expectations, past what most people believe a machine can survive. And here's where the story gets even more interesting, because trucks like this aren't just used for work. They're trusted in situations where failure is not an option. A modified version of the F-350 platform has been used in presidential convoys, built with reinforced structures, advanced communication systems, and the ability to operate under extreme conditions. These aren't just vehicles, they're machines designed to endure, no matter what happens around them. From construction sites to protecting the most powerful people in the world, it all comes from the same idea: build something that doesn't quit. Because in the end, this truck was never about speed, it was never about luxury, and it was definitely never about attention. It was built for one thing: to keep going, no matter how far, no matter how long. And even after 2 million kilometers, it still is not fast, not flashy, just impossible to kill.